Hey everyone, it's been a crazy journey, but I do have some exciting news to share with you today. I'm finally moving out of the triplex and getting into a house of my own. There's more to it than just me buying a new house, so stay tuned and I'll tell you all the details. This triplex has been more than just a house for me. It's been a complete financial game changer. I live at this property for free. Let me explain what I mean. House hacking allowed me to live with virtually no living expenses. In this property, I lived on the first floor. I rented the 2 upstairs units. Their rent was bringing in approximately $1,700 a month. My mortgage payment was about $1,000. My utilities were somewhere between $400 and $600 usually, which left me with even excess over top of that. Now that I'm moving out, the triplex is going to be an even better investment. I just rented my old apartment out for $1,350, and that actually exceeds what I'm paying for the new house. So why am I telling you this? If you want to get your foot in the door of real estate, or maybe just live a little bit more financially free, you should look into house hacking. That was the answer for me. It allowed me to quit my job, create different business opportunities, and obviously buy this new house. So it is definitely something to think about when trying to buy your first property. So here's how it works. At the 3 unit on West King Street, I have 1 unit rented for $1,025, the other rented for $975, and finally the unit I just moved out of is $1,350, bringing our total rent to $3,350. My mortgage is about $975. Utilities range, but let's use $500 as a safe number. That brings my total monthly cash flow on that property to $1,875. The mortgage at the new house is only $1,037. Obviously, I have some utilities and some other bills, but you can see that the monthly cash flow from the other property covers this one here. Even better, I bought the new property using seller finance. So no credit checks, no income verification, and no banks involved. I want to share as much of my knowledge with you as I can. I'll be sharing a ton more tips and tricks on this YouTube channel, so follow along for more and subscribe if you like what you're seeing.